channel SKV Tutorial for Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you fix under network credentials access denied in Windows 10. If you have more than one personal computer on the same network, you can transferring the files from another computer to your computer on the same network required a password. However, if you have network credential access denied error, tuning password protected sharing off can solve the network credential access denied error. But before moving ahead of the process, let's be clear that password protected sharing is the safest way to transfer your files or to access the network. Follow the steps to turn off password protected sharing. That is what we are going to do, so watch the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's start. Let's see how to fix network credential access denied error. To do that, open the run dialog box by pressing Windows logo key plus R. In the run dialog box, we'll type Control and press Enter key to open the control panel. In the control panel, change the view option to get the full control panel settings like this. Under control panel settings, click on the network and sharing center. Here in the left pan, click change advanced sharing settings like this. Then here click to expand all networks. Click on it. Once done, then scroll down to bottom side under password protected sharing. Here select turn off password protected sharing and click save changes. Once done, keep in mind removing password protection on the same network, other users can make your computer to vulnerable. So after transferring the files process, select turn on password protected sharing and click save change to protect your computer. That's all.
I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching and supporting. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Your contribution is more confidence to us. If you have any issues, so please let me know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more useful videos. Once again, thanks for watching and supporting. See you in next video. Bye. Take care.